Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn Chinese. Yes, today I'm going to teaching you about Chinese vocabulary. Yes, before the beginning, I want you to subscribe to my channel Learn Chinese to get more video every day. In this channel, always upload one video a day. Now, let's start read together. 停 停 停 停 It means worry. The next word is 停 停 停 停 It means to stop. The first word and the second word is the same read, but the meaning is different and also the sound. Yes, the next word is 填空 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 It means fill in the blank. The next word is 统挂统挂统挂统挂 It means pass stroke. The next word is 通知通知通知通知通知 It means notify. The next word is 同情同情同情同情同情同情同情 It means compassion. The next word is 通时通时通时通时通时通时 It means at the same time. The next word is 推推推推推推 It means postpone. The next word is 推迟推迟推迟推迟推迟 It means defer. The next word is 拖拖拖拖 It means take off. The next word is 袜子袜子袜子袜子袜子 It means socks. The next word is 完全完全完全完全 It means complete. The next word is 危险危险危险危险危险 It means dangerous. The next word is 网站网站网站网站网站网站 It means website. The last word is 网球网球网球网球网球 It means tennis. Yes, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get new video every day. Talk about Chinese language. Yes, if you like this video, don't forget to click like, and if you have a question to ask me, please leave your comment below this video. Okay, thank you. See you next video. Goodbye.